I got started welding when I was in high school. The last half of my day in high school was welding. And then I went to trade college, got all my certifications that I needed. The general manager at H&H reached out to me, offering what Nove has. I stressed to him that I was just really wanting more in a company. I wanted to move up. I put 8 years in with the company I was at and didn't have any sight ahead of progression. So he offered what Nove has to offer as a growing company, and I jumped all over it. I was hired on as a welder. I would say 5 months into my welding, they promoted me up here to Weld Supervisor. The thing I really respect and appreciate out of Nove, it is very trusting. They gave me the position on the weld line, and I have a boss, yes, but I mean, that's my department. I feel that everybody trusts in my decisions, and if I happen to make the wrong decisions, and I have, they're very respectful with how they correct me and teach me for next time. I like to have a lot of fun with my guys. I like to challenge my guys to push them to see what they can do, because I'm a firm believer that everybody can do more than what they think they can do. I've been doing a lot of cross-training to where just about 90% of my guys can go to any weld line and do any task I ask of them. Depending on somebody has something happen where they can't be at work, I've got to move guys around day to day. But usually they know where they're going, what their expectations are, wherever they're at, and they get the job done and they do a very good job at it.